To take a photo by using the floating shutter button on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to enable floating shutter button option on the camera app. To do so, open camera app and then tap the setting icon at the top left. Scroll down the screen. Under general section, tap shooting method. And then tap the gray on offset next to floating shutter button until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see the result, tap the back key twice. As you can see, now you have a floating shutter button that you can move its position anywhere on the screen. So you can take a photo with more conveniently and comfortably. As the example, when you need to take a picture with one hand in certain angle where it might be difficult for you to reach the default shutter button, you can move the floating button as close as possible with your hand like this. And then you can tap the button to start taking a photo. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.